This Hikvision colorvu camera which I just ordered from Amazon. It is of color camera where you will have a built-in mic and night vision camera along with this. This is the specifications. Let's start unboxing this. There is a new piece. We have this, and this is the camera. We have three plugs. I don't know what on which, and I'll just check it out. Along with this you have this plate which is used to fix this, and screws and plastic gutters, what we call it as. You have a drill template where you can just screw a hole. You can just rotate this either like this, it's almost some 180-degree rotatable. Let's rotate however you need this. Hikvision.